fruits. You see a jackfruit. Do you see how big is it? I'm going to cut a jackfruit. It's a ninja technique. Okay. At first, I'm washing it with a clean water. Wash it thoroughly. It's almost finished. Yeah, I did it. It's a heavy. Look like at least 7 to 8 kilo. Yeah, come on. Hey guys, I need a oil, which need to clean my hand. Just at first I'm rub my hand with the clean water, oil. Yeah, I need to rub it in my hand. Yeah, it's okay now. Then this is some glue. I need to avoid it. Just I rub my hand with oil. That's why that type of glue cannot be attached with my hand, stick with my hand. Just it's a technique. It's a ripe jackfruit. Just I push it from my hand by my hand. Yeah. Oh, it's almost open. But I don't like that type of jackfruit because it's a hard. My stomach is not so okay to take that type of jackfruit. Do you see? So, yeah, it's so hard. It's not good for my stomach. Normally, I avoid that type of jackfruit because it's sometimes it's a problem with consuming that type of jackfruit. Yeah, it's another side. Some people cut it, but why do people cut it? I don't imagine. Cut it with a sharp knife. Oh, do you see? It's seed. It's a growing. It's cultivating in the jackfruit. Almost. Yeah. It's so easy to cut. From my childhood, I'm doing that type of job. It's so lovely and fantastic for me. Even I'm doing it to serve my family. Yeah. Could you check it here? Yeah. Do you see? Yeah. Almost do it. Like bit. Do you need more? Enough? It's not enough. Okay. I need to get more. Huh? चलो देखे भी नहीं. Okay, it's okay. Hey guys, one of my nephew helped me to catch up this video. It's almost finished. Okay, now I'm taking jackfruit. It's almost finished. I don't need more. But I don't like that type of jackfruit but just I will taste one or two slice. Okay, it's finished. This is the cover. It's finished. Although some glue stick with my hand. Do you see? Stick with my hand. But most of the parts of my hand is clean. I need to just clean with fresh water and some tissue. But before that, I need to eat some jackfruit. Yeah, it's so tasty, but not in my thigh. It's so hard. Sometimes some jackfruits are not so hard. It's a soft. Some jackfruits are soft. Sometimes that type of hard jackfruit make problem of digestion. So I just avoid that type of jackfruit. But you know that my mom keep this jackfruit for me. The heavy seed. Alright, I'm showing another seed. This is the seed. This is the seed. I avoid this seed to eat. Yeah, keep it here. It's easy to cut it, jackfruit, but remember that you need to rub your hand with oil. Yeah, it's a soybean oil or something like that. You need to keep it with you before cutting a jackfruit. It's huge, sticky things with. I don't want to eat more. It's enough for me. I want to give it with those. One more. Yeah. Do you see? It's growing. See? It's take one step to grow up a tree. It's finished. I'm going to wash my hand. I need to clean it with a clean water and with some tissue. Goodbye, guys. We'll check out in my next video. Bye for now.